Hi, welcome to the demo video of Appointment Manager. In this video, we are going to see the different features that this product has to offer. So once you sign up and log in to the application, this is your home screen. You are seeing a calendar in front of you. When you tap on other dates, you can see the appointments for those dates. Now, today's date is 3rd of February. Let's try creating an appointment. To create an appointment, click on the blue icon. You can add the name and the contact number of your customer. You can select this to select the country code. If the customer is an existing customer and the contact is already there in your phone contacts, then you can click this icon to get the customer details. So we have one more feature, like when you start typing the name of the customer. So let me type one. So as you can see, the name has auto populated. If the number is present in your contacts, then the name will be automatically shown. If it's a new customer, we have given you an option, save to contacts. Clicking on this will make sure that when you will add an appointment, your new customer will be directly saved to your phone contacts. We recommend that you always maintain a backup of your phone contacts that has the entire customer list, and keep it synced with a Google account. Now, every business has got some services or the other. So for the demo purpose, I have created two services. For each appointment, we can add one or more services. So for the sake of this appointment, let me just go to select service and let me add consulting, for example. We can add multiple services. We can also unselect a service. Now next section is details. If you want to provide any details regarding the appointment, you can do that. This is a free field you can use in whichever way you want to take notes. And then you need to select the date and time. Let us select today's date and let's say 8:30 p.m. Let me add demo here. We have given one more feature, remind me with an alarm. So what this does is X minutes before an appointment, an alarm will ring so that you know that there's an appointment. So this alarm is optional, but before an appointment we show a notification, and clicking on the notification you can directly come to the appointment screen. um, let's create this appointment now. So when you click on add appointment, you have the option to send the appointment booking or appointment confirmation message to your customers. You can either select send SMS or send WhatsApp. So for the sake of this appointment, let me just click on yes button. As you can see, the appointment has been created for this date. Now let me show you some app settings. So for accessing app settings, you need to click the three dots, click on app settings. So we have got couple of settings that can be useful. So the first setting that we see is show me appointments by day and appointments by month. So as you can see here, show me appointments by month is selected. That's why you can see the entire calendar over here. But if you want a more focused view, you can select show me appointments by day. If you select this, you can only see the appointments for a particular day. And so let me quickly show you how that works. You need to restart the app, and there you go. So it's like more like a focused view. Let me change it back to appointments by month. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, moving ahead, we have the next setting as the notifications. So if you want to receive a notification before an appointment, you can configure that. You have to enable this checkbox and provide the X minutes. So let's say if you want to get a notification like an hour before or a day before, so you can easily do that. Next is you can set the default values, for example currency or default country code. So every time you are creating a new appointment, the default country code will be selected. Now coming to the most important part, so the messages that are sent. So from the app you can send the appointment booking SMS or WhatsApp. You can send appointment reminder message. You can send appointment completion messages, cancellation messages. You also have the option to add more entry points of sending messages, so that we'll see shortly. But here you can easily customize the message template. So by default, so let's say your employee name is Saurav, for example, and you book an appointment on 3rd February at 10 p.m. So the default message that will go is, "Hi Saurabh, your appointment is scheduled with your name on 3rd February at 10 p.m. Now you can easily change this to whatever you want, and the message template will be updated. Same applies for the reminder template, completion template, and the cancel template. There's also another template, follow up. If you need to follow up with your customer, we have got a separate template for that. The last section is the billing details. So through this application you can also generate an invoice. It's a GST tax invoice, uh, uh, and these details will be shown on the bill. So that was all about the app settings. Coming back to the appointment, if you want to make changes to an appointment, all you have to do is click on this row and you can make changes and click on update appointment. You can click on the phone number to directly make a call. Now if you want to take an action on the appointment, you have to swipe it from right to left. You see here a couple of buttons. So this orange button signifies that if you click it, appointment reminder message will be sent. So you click it, you get the option whether you want to send a SMS or a WhatsApp, and clicking on that, a reminder message will be sent to your customer. Green stands for appointment completion, red stands for appointment cancellation. This fourth button that you are seeing here is an open field. So let me show you how it works. If you click here, so you see this icon. So just consider there are like 10-12 appointments, and you can mark an appointment with this icon to distinguish it from the others. So the basic idea of creating this was for scenarios. To give you an example, like in hospitals there are a lot of patients waiting. Some are walk-in patients, some come through appointments, and it can happen sometimes that the receptionist wants to keep a track of the patients that are currently present in the clinic, so that they could be prioritized over other patients who are yet to come. So this is just one use case how you can use this, but yeah, you can use it according to your wish. So it works like a toggle. You click again, it will show and hide for that appointment. Now there's another useful feature. You see this icon over here. Clicking on this will show you all the past appointments of that customer. So if you click this, at the moment there are no past appointments, but if let's say this is your regular customer, you can easily access the previous and all the previous appointments of that customer. Now let's see how we can complete an appointment. So let's say whatever services you want to give, that is over, it's time to complete the appointment. Swipe right to left, click on the green icon. So here if you want to generate a invoice, and send it to your customer, you can click on the generate invoice button. So here, as you can see, the service that you had selected is shown here. If you want to give a discount on that service, you can easily do that. Let's say I give 10% just for example, so it gets calculated. We have also given one useful feature to keep a track of pending balance. Let's say your customer is pending is paying, let's say 250 rupees, 250 amount less, so you can easily add that, and when you click on generate invoice, that will reflect in the invoice. You can click here, send file, and easily send that to your customer. Now you have to click back. Here you have to select the payment mode. In this case, let us select cash. Now we have got another useful feature. Sometimes it can happen that after an appointment there is a next appointment that usually follows, and in such cases it can happen that you have to do a follow-up with your customer, and you need to keep a track of the next appointment. So for that, what you can do is select a follow-up date. Let's say you want to remind him on 10th. You click OK, and you have to click on this checkbox. If you click this, a follow-up appointment will be shown in the follow-up section. So let's see how this works. And yeah, if you want to send a appointment completion message to your customer, you can either select the send SMS option or the send WhatsApp option. So for now, let me just click on yes, and as you can see, the appointment has been completed and it's no more visible in the in this view. So where did the appointment go? To access the completed or past appointments, you can see them in the past appointment section. Click on three dots, click on past appointments, and you can see the all those appointments. At the bottom you can see some accounting done for you, so the total amount that you received and what was the cash that you received, you can easily find that out. So we have also provided a date option where you can select a date range, and yeah, the entire accounting will be done for you. And as you can see here that for this, the mode of payment was cash, for this it was card. So these icons mean the payment mode. You can export all this into an Excel sheet. You have to click on this icon and you can keep a backup of this. The date range, you can select a week, a month, an year. It's your choice. There are another set of features, like if you swipe from right to left, you can see this blue icon. So clicking on this will let you access the invoice of that customer. So if you click on this, you can easily see the invoice. So this green button is for sending the appointment completion message. So let's say the appointment is completed, and let's say you want to send a feedback message maybe end of the day and not immediately. So using this, you can do that. This orange icon is for sending a follow-up message. So let's say you just need to follow up with that customer regarding this appointment, and would like to remind him of the next appointment. You can easily do that by clicking on this. So now as you can see, for this appointment there is a pending balance of 250 rupees. So if you want to receive payment, so let's say the customer gives you the money, you can click here, enter the amount, let's say 250, or you can enter even less than that and click on receive payment, and it will be updated. So this was all about the past appointments. So let's move to other sections. The next is the follow-up appointment section. If you click here, you will see all the appointments that you need to follow up. And if you swipe right to left, clicking on this, you can send a follow-up message, and clicking on this creates a new appointment from this appointment. Let us go back. So yeah, my services. In this section you can add, update your services. So to add a new service, you have to click this, add a service name, amount, tax, and whether the tax is included in the amount or not. You can select a color for the service, and after clicking add service, the service will get added. And do not forget to click on the save services once you have made changes. Going to the next section, which is analytics. So if you click on analytics, what you have to do is select a start date. So let's say we want to see the analytics for the first 3 days. Okay, click on show insights. So you can see some statistics here, like what were the total appointments during that time range, date range, like total appointments completed, open appointments, cancel appointments, then some customer analytics. So what is your repeat customer percentage, so the busy hours, busy days of your business, busy months, and the revenue comparison by month, so what is your most used service, and etc. So from these graphs and charts, you can take out useful information that can be helpful for your business. And in future we plan to add more analytics to this section. If you want to see some specific analytics related to your business, then kindly let us know. All you have to do is go to this section, help support, and type your message and reach out to us using WhatsApp. So we also provide good support, customer support. If you have any doubts, uh, any questions, if you need some customizations, so you can reach out to us using this section. Moving ahead, there's another section called my customers. Clicking on this will give you the entire list of your customers, and you can also see the number of appointments that they have taken with you. So this digit here signifies the total appointments that they have taken. You can easily drop a WhatsApp or SMS to the customer by swiping right to left. And yeah, this list is sorted by top customers. So let's say if this customer has 2 appointments, so it will come at the top. So you can easily find out like who all are your top customers. Clicking on this icon, your entire customers list will be exported to a Excel sheet. If you click here, you can easily access all the appointments of that customer. Let's go back. Let's talk about the backup and restore. So we have 2 types of plans. So we have light plans and then cloud plans. So in light plans, all your appointments are saved on your device, whereas in cloud plans, all the appointments get stored on the cloud. Now the challenge with the light plans is, so let's say you are on light plan, you add appointments, and one fine day, due to some reason, your application gets uninstalled, or your phone crashes and your entire phone gets reset. So what happens to your appointments is they'll get lost, and you lose all your appointments. So to avoid this, we have an add-on plan called backup and restore. It's an additional plan. Using this, what you can do is you can do frequent backups of the appointments on the cloud. So all you have to do is click on backup and restore, click on the backup button to create a backup, and next time when you open the appointment, let's say you want to open it on another device, or after a phone reset, you've downloaded the application again and you want to restore, all you have to do is again go to backup and restore and click on the restore option. So this secures your appointments so that you do not lose any appointments. This is useful only for the light plan users, whereas for the cloud plans, appointments are directly stored on a secure Google Cloud, so you don't have to worry about um, uh, appointments getting deleted from the device. So moving ahead, we have another module called staff. So let's say you have got a team and you have got staff who work for you. So you can create accounts for your staff. You can give them permissions to create appointments, view appointments, etc. So again, this is an add-on plan. So if you are a team, so you can go with this option. So yeah, lastly, let us see the my account section. Clicking on my account basically shows you your account details, which plan you are currently on, what is the expiry of your plan, and the features that are enabled for you depending on your plan. And to view the plans and the pricing, all you have to do is click on this button and you can see all our available plans. And yeah, if there are any queries, feel free to reach out using the help support section. We have a FAQ section over here about us. Yeah, I think that's pretty much. We hope that you like the video and would like our product, and thank you so much for watching this video.